In shocking apathy continues in Maharashtra. Now a 4-story building collapsed in Ghatkopar area in Mumbai today. While 4 people have been killed, at least 30 are still feared trapped under the debris. At least 14 fire engines besides teams of the state disaster management have been rushed to the site. Let's straight go across to Vaishnavi, who joins us from the accident site. Yes, Vaishnavi.
Well, yes, I am at the accident spot. As you can see, if I can ask my VJ Sanjay to pan the camera and show, this is the ground plus 3 building which collapsed today morning at 10:30 a.m. and the rescue operation still continues. What we've been told by authorities is that around 35 to 40 people are feared to be trapped under the debris. 9 of them have already been rescued, 2 dead as far as the BMC is concerned. BMC's record says that 2 persons have died so far, but there are information that is coming, that is trickling in from hospitals in Ghatkopar, wherein we are able to understand that at least 4 people have been killed in this building collapse. Apart from that, various authorities, of course, as we know, agencies are here. The NDRF team is also here to assist the Mumbai Fire Brigade. The police is here, and apart from that, the Mumbai Fire Brigade's 14 team have reached the spot. Now, as far as the cause of the building collapse is concerned, we have been told by by eyewitnesses and the locals that there was a construction, that there was a renovation work being carried out on the ground floor of the building by a hospital. If you can ask my VJ to also pan the camera and show that particular board, which is actually the board of the hospital, and this is a popular hospital around in this locality, and apparently it's a maternity hospital. There are usually kids who are admitted here as well, and also apart from that, we've been told that the hospital was trying to club or join all the 4 flats in that floor and make it into one single hospital, and that's when they probably have damaged the main structure of the building, either the beam of the building, and that's the reason probably this building has collapsed. There is no report of this building being dilapidated as far as the BMC's records is concerned. Of course, a proper investigation is going to prove as to what exactly was the cause of the building collapse, but at this point of time, the priority remains that as many people are being rescued from the spot. As you can see the visuals there, the fire brigade team and the NDRF team is able to locate somebody. We've been just told that they heard sounds of a woman crying from below the debris, and that's why they're trying now to remove as much as they can the debris above and rescue that lady. So far, they have been able to rescue 9 persons as far as the information that we are getting to know, but around 30 to 40 more people are expected to be trapped, and this is absolutely unfortunate. This is in a highly populated area in Ghatkopar. In fact, we've been speaking to a few eyewitnesses as well. They've been saying that the hospital authorities are to be blamed for this particular incident.